Welcome to the spoken tutorial on functions in C and C++. In this tutorial, we will learn what is a function, syntax of a function, significance of the return statement. We will do this through examples. We will also see some common errors and their solutions. To record this tutorial, I'm using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10, GCC and G++ compiler version 4.6.1. Let us start with the introduction to functions. A function is a self-contained program executing a specific task. Every program consists of one or more functions. Once executed, the control will be returned back from where it was accessed. Let us see the syntax per function. Ret type defines the type of data that the function returns. Fun name defines the name of the function. Parameters is a list of variable names and their types. We can specify an empty parameter list. This is called a function without arguments, and this is called a function with arguments. Let us see a program using void. I have already typed the program on the editor, so I will open it. Note that our file name is function, and I have saved the file with the extension .c. Let me explain the code. This is our header file. Before using any function, it must be defined. Here we have defined a function called add. Note that the add function is without any arguments, and the return type is void. There are two types of functions: user-defined, that is our add function, and predefined, that is printf and main function. Here we have initialized a and b by assigning them values of 2 and 3. Here we have declared a variable c. Then we add the values of a and b. The result is stored in C. Then we print the result. This is our main function. Here we call the add function. The addition operation will be performed and the result will be printed. Now click on Save. Let us execute the program. Please open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T keys simultaneously. To compile, type gcc function.c-o fun. To execute, type /fun. We see the output is displayed as sum of a and b is 5. Now come back to our program. Functions contain special identifiers called parameters or arguments. Let us see the same example with arguments. I will change a few things here. Type int add int a, int b. Here we have declared a function add. Int a and int b are the arguments of the function add. Let us delete this. No need to initialize a and b here. Delete the printf statement. Type int main. Let us declare a variable sum here. Type int sum. Then type sum equals add 5, 4. Here we call the add function. Then we pass the parameters as 5 and 4. 5 will be stored in A, and 4 will be stored in B. The addition operation will be performed. Let us now print the result. So type here, printf, quote, sum is %d \n, end quote, comma sum. Delete this, as we have already called the function above. Type return 0. A non-void function must use a return statement that returns a value. Click on Save. Let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. Now compile the program as before. Let us execute. The output is displayed as sum is 9. Now let us see how to execute the same program in C++. come back to our program. Let me change a few things here. First, press Shift, Ctrl, and S keys simultaneously. Now save the file with a .cpp extension. Click on Save. First, we will change the header file as iostream. We'll include the using statement here. The function declaration is the same in C++, so there is no need to change anything here. Now replace the printf statement with the cout statement, as we use the cout function to print a line in C++. We don't need the format specifier and \n here. Delete the comma. Now type 2 opening angle brackets. After sum, again type 2 opening angle brackets. Within double quotes, type \n. Delete this closing parenthesis. Now click on Save. Let us compile the program. Come back to our terminal. Type g++ function.cpp-o fun1. Here we have fun1. This is because we don't want to overwrite the output file fun. Press Enter. Type /fun1. The output is displayed as sum is 9. Now we will see the common errors which we can come across. Suppose here we type x in place of 4. I will retain the rest of the code as it is. Click on Save. Let us compile the program. We see an error at line number 10. X was not declared in this scope. This is because x is a character variable. It was not declared anywhere, and our add function has an integer variable as an argument. So, there is a mismatch in return type and return value. Now come back to our program. Let us fix the error. Type 4 at line number 10. Click on Save. Let us execute again. Let me clear the prompt. Compile the program as before. Yes, it is working. Now we will see another common error which we can come across. Suppose here we pass only one parameter. Delete 4. Click on Save. Switch to the terminal. Let us compile. We see an error at line number 10. Too few arguments to function int add int, int. Switch back to our program. You can see here we have two parameters, int a and int b. And here we are passing only one parameter. Therefore, it is giving an error. Let us fix the error. Type 4. Click on Save. Switch to the terminal. Let's execute again. Yes, it is working. Come back to our slides. To summarize, in this tutorial, we have learned function, syntax of function, function without arguments, e.g. void add, function with arguments, e.g. int add, int a, int b. As an assignment, write a program to calculate the square of a number. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials and gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is John Bonet from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.